U.S. stocks, they're down nearly 1% in late afternoon trade. This after the minutes from the last Fed policy meeting suggested the central bank could begin cutting bond purchases sooner than expected. Now, the markets moved higher earlier in the session when Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke said that reducing stimulus will indeed depend on an improvement in economic data. But then at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Fed minutes noted that a number of participants expressed willingness to reduce quantitative easing as early as the June meeting. This if economic data showed signs of strong and sustained growth. And with U.S. existing home sales data for April rising 0.6%, its highest level since November 2009, the euro slipping against the Japanese yen, and oil prices down the most in 3 weeks. This on a gain in U.S. gasoline supplies. It looked to be quite the volatile and negative finish for the big board this Wednesday. Speaking of which, taking a look now to see how the Dow Jones has closed out today's trading session. The Dow is on the downside, 80.41 points to settle in at 15,307.17. In a breakdown of today's major market movers, we first begin with shares of Lowe's, which reported quarterly earnings and revenue that missed expectations. This with the company blaming softer sales on unseasonable weather. Meanwhile, Pfizer says it will spin off its majority stake in its animal health business, Zoetis, to its shareholders. And homebuilder Toll Brothers reported quarterly profit of 14 cents per share, 7 cents above estimates. This as it saw an increase in orders and average selling prices.